morning. I put a struggling sales rep on a workshop call with two of his peers last week. And at the end of the call, he and I spoke. I called him up afterward. He said, I am so relieved to learn that I'm not the only one thinking these negative thoughts, thinking that I'm failing. And that was the third of 3 times that I heard someone say that last week. I'm so grateful to know I'm not alone. It was really interesting, and that's what prompted this sales tip. I think one of the bravest things that you can do is to say, I don't know, or I'm struggling. We all think that we've got to do this ourselves. We all think that there's some party going on somewhere that we're not invited to, that everybody else is successful except for us. It's not true. None of it is true. If you are struggling, if you are frustrated, then you've got to do something about it. These are unprecedentedly, not a word, difficult selling times. Hardest I've ever seen. You're not alone. So go into your boss's office and say, I'm really frustrated. I'm not getting this. And the relief will come when he or she says, let me help. They want you to be successful. It's in their best interest for you to be successful. Failure is only failure when you've not taken up all of the resources, that you've not taken advantage of everything that's provided for you. If you haven't tried your absolute hardest and you fail, then you're a failure. But if you have tried your hardest, if you have reached out to your boss or someone on LinkedIn or me and said, help, and you still don't make it, then you've got nothing to be ashamed of. These are very difficult times. I encourage you to raise your hand, ask for help. It's there. Every sales challenge you are facing, whether you are a sales rep or a selling owner, has been solved by somebody else. Let's go find the answers. Have a great selling week.